Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share some winnings, actually like three winnings, as well as a pretty nice size haul from several different places. So we're going to start off with the winnings, and I have a winning that I filmed the other day, but I'm going to link it to this video, and then we'll just move into the haul. All right, so let's just jump right in because I have quite a few items to show. All right, so first up, I won from Charlize's Crafty Corner. I hope I'm saying that right. And I won a couple months ago. And she sent me this little 3x3. Isn't that the cutest little thing? I mean, the paper is doing all the talking, and she added that little thank you on there. She matted that up, just absolutely cute. And she was just apologizing that it took her a little while to send it, but that's quite all right. I don't mind at all. All right, thanks so much, Lisa. I really appreciate it. And let's move right into her winnings. And so she had said that she had won a few extra, not one, but she purchased a few extra goodies from Michael's. So there goes the little snowman, the little wreath, and aren't these little penguins adorable? And then she also has some holly leaves. I mean, who doesn't need holly leaves? And these are beautiful. Look at that. And then I also have some candy canes and some more holly leaves. And so I'll be able to use those throughout my Christian crafting throughout the year, and actually with that Hobby Lobby challenge with Mo. And then she also sent me some Snow Rider, and this, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, this is creates a dimensional snow fix, so that'll be really cute on projects. And then she also sent me this. It is beautiful, and it's handmade by Shalisa Crafty Corner. And look at that little snowflake there. And she made it into a rosette, put one of those little candy canes on there, and then created her own bag topper. Now, isn't this cute? Now, I don't have this set, and let me just hurry up and take it out the bag. I do not have this set. I've often admired it, but yeah, I'm trying to watch my spending, and I'm not trying to buy too much from AliExpress anymore. I'm crafting for a few teams, so I'm just trying to keep my spending down. Anyways, so isn't this gorgeous? Has that little postcard. She again is letting the paper do the talking, and then she put this beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous! I'm just now taking this out the package. This is gorgeous. It is huge. Oh my goodness. And then she has, oops, it might be something else in there. I didn't realize that. Okay. But anyways, look at the size of that. Look at the size of that. Oh my goodness. I didn't realize this was so big, and it's so cute. Look at that little bow and that little flower there. Absolutely adorable. Oh, it has the little shaker bits in there, the little candies. Oh, too cute. All right, let's see what's else in here. All right. All right, so she has some gems. Who doesn't need bling? Yeah, I got a lot of it, and this is going to add to it too. I love bling. And then look at those poinsettias. I can put those together myself. Too cute. And then she also has some ornaments for me. Let me get this open, and we can check out all of the colors she sent. Oh, isn't that pretty? These are really nice. So I can use these on some cards for next year. Those are really pretty. Thanks so much, Charlisa. I'll have her channel linked down below. And let's move on to the next Happy Mail, and then we'll get into my haul. So just stick around and you'll see my nice size haul. It's pretty big. Anyways, let's jump right in. So I won on the YouTube channels that I follow. And let me just pull out that little guy and card. I already checked it out, but I just wanted to share so that you can see these amazing little goodies that she sent me. First off, Look at that. Isn't that crocheted beautifully? So cute. When I was younger, I used to crochet. I couldn't remember if I tried to, if it was going to try and save my life. I tell you, that's been many moons ago. But anyways, here goes the cute card that she sent. Cute, the confetti. Just imagine it all dropping. Oh. Okay, and it says, Melissa, thank you for always being so supportive on my channel. Congrats on your winnings. XOXO, love, Betty. All right, and so she did send me a little business card. Hopefully I can share it. It's from Bethy's Boutique Studio, and I'll have her linked down below. So make sure you go over and visit her channel and tell her I sent you. And you should see some of the stuff that she has in her shop. But let me see. Let me make sure it's a little bit of everything that I can show you. Maybe I can just cover up. There we go. On Shopify. All right, and then she also sent this cute little die cut here. Look at that cute little dog. And then, as you can see, fuzzy friends. Look at this bunny gnome. Isn't he adorable? Yep, that's what I got. Okay, on to the haul. Okay, starting off with Michael's. I went to a new Michael's, didn't realize there was one up in Benton Harbor, Michigan. And so my husband and I stopped by, and I'm so glad I have a husband that wants to take me around. But anyways, I found this VersaFine here, pine cone. I found peacock feathers, and these were on sale as well. That was $2, these were $3. Peacock feathers, frayed burlap, and this is, I didn't realize I had one of these, so this is another one that I picked up, and it will be used, I'm sure. And then twisted citron and mustard seed. So I got those from Michael's, like I said. And Tuesday morning, I picked up this paper pack. I absolutely love this paper pack. It is so, so cute. Let me do a quick flip through. I was trying to see when it was made, because I haven't seen anybody haul this yet, but I thought it was so cute. I think we're going over it, but I really like that. I actually went back out there looking for another one of these, and they were gone. There was only like 2 or 3 of them there, and I wish I had picked up an extra one then. All right, and then next up, I got so much stuff. Give me just 1 second. Scrapbook.com finally got these back in, these magic mats, and I had been wanting these, and so I ordered 2 of them, and they work just like they said. So you can use it in the Gemini, and it did start to bend in the Gemini, but I just took out my heat gun, heated it up, and it started to be pliable where you can move it around a little bit, and then I kind of flattened it out back into the shape, and I put it up under my glass mat and let it set overnight. It was perfect. I was just like, hey, yes. Okay, and then I also won from my creative time. I won a $25 gift certificate, and I picked up these dies. As you know, I love tags, and so I was able to get those, as well as these heart label dies, and also this, I don't know what the name of it is. Anyways, it's an envelope die. Has for you, surprise, and then it have all of these little items there. I've been wanting this one for a while. I do know that I will be ordering from her this Friday because she will be having another release, and she is redoing all of her flat bows. She's making them smaller. I want those, so I'll be picking those up. I went over to Dollar Tree. I had seen people hauling these mask containers, and I thought these would be good containers to hold items in, whether it's something I'm working on, I just want to put it away, or send it out in Happy Mail, which I hopefully will try and get into that a little bit better this year. So I picked up 5 of those. I thought about picking up 10, but I didn't. Went over to Hobby Lobby, and I'm missing some things from Hobby Lobby. I'll get them in just a second. But anyways, went over to Hobby Lobby. I didn't realize they were marking down some of the items in their art, over where the art supplies are, and I was able to find this Bristol Smooth Surface, and it's the one that's 11 by 14 inches, so it's the big one, for $3.49, and I picked up the last two. And then also from Hobby Lobby, oh, what did I do with them? Here we go. I also picked up a couple more dies, and I want to say I might be having either this one. I'm not for sure what I'm going to give away for my Hobby Lobby challenge with Mo, but I didn't pick up this originally because I didn't really need it. I have some snowman, and I also have gingerbread. I do have one reindeer, but anyways, I'm trying to get something together for my Hobby Lobby challenge with Mo, and it might be this here. And then I also picked up this here. Like I said, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to give away, but I'm kind of leaning towards that. Then here goes a great buy. This is what I found. I was so excited about these. Look at these. I haven't seen anybody else haul these, although I haven't watched a Hobby Lobby haul in a minute, so in about a week or two. So, but anyways, $1.24 for these tri-blend markers. I thought they were an awesome price, so I picked up one of each. I think I've seen these over at Tuesday Morning, but I said I wasn't going to get them for the price they had. Although I'm not for sure if I did a better deal than Tuesday Morning. I think I did. So, but these are all the colors that they had. I was so excited. And then here goes the last colors. I think I got one of each. I don't think there was any more. So I think that is it for my haul. I think that's it. So I'll probably be back in about a week or two with another haul video because I do plan on ordering from My Creative Time, like I said. But that's all I have for you. Thanks so much for everyone for stopping by. And thank you so much, ladies, for sending those winnings to me. I love your generosity. I love your channels. Yes, and make sure you follow those ladies. I'll have their links down below. Thank you so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.